Hey everyone, Dale here. So I just wanted to do a quick video on dying or dead, almost dead cedar trees. I mean, obviously if they're right dead, you're not going to have any chance. But I bought these from Costco. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Yeah, 8 of them. And I've been really busy, so I've only been able to get in about 3 or 4, and then these other ones were still left in the pot. I was watering them, but they started to die. So what I did was I thought, well, I could take them back to Costco because they're dying, and Costco takes anything back, or take them out of the pot, knock some of the soil off, and throw them in a big container of water with some fertilizer to give them a drink. So I let them sit in there for probably 48 hours, and then hey buddy, get out of there, come on. And then I planted them. Now I did use some certain soil, and I did use some fertilizer, but I'm going to see if they come back, and I think they will, because I went to 2 or 3 different nurseries, and I asked them what's the best way to look after cedars, and they said, all 3 of them out of their mouth said water, water, water. They can't get enough water. And I said to one of them, I said, well, I've also heard that if you use too much water that they can rot. And they said, well, we don't really believe in that, because look at the coast, and I'm from the interior BC, Canada, and down in Vancouver, BC, they get a lot of rain down there, and cedars are really green. So they got a point there. So I've been watering these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've been watering them every day for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes a day. And these guys have been soaking in the water, but I planted this one yesterday, and I planted this one today. And I made a mix, and I put them in, planted them, and I gave them all just a regular soaking today. So today is July, I don't know, check this video for today's date. I'm going to do another update in a month and a month and a half, probably a month, and see if these come back. I think they should, as long as I keep watering them. And I just put a little bit of, like, this one's starting to really get bad. So I'm going to try planting this one too. It's still fairly green on the other side. Yeah, it's still fairly green on the other side. So it may come back. It may come back as well, but you can tell it's starving for water. So I've been letting it soak in there. And yeah, so I'm going to see if they'll come back. This is what I've used. I went to Costco and I picked up a thing of this here. Just 100% organic. 100% organic potting soil. Put that in the wheelbarrow, and I mixed it with the dirt from the buckets, also with a little bit of black dirt that I had laying around. And then I'd throw about a handful of this Pure Grow. It's for evergreens, 18-3-10, and I just threw about a handful of that in there. You get that at Rona in Canada, or Lowe's in the States. I think we'll carry it. It's for cedar trees. I threw that in there, and you can tell how green those ones are that I mixed with that mix, and then just watered them straight. So let's see if those come back in a month. I think they will, but we'll see. So stay tuned, guys. This is what I made for a privacy fence. I just built this up with dirt. I'm probably going to put a concrete barrier around here, and then I have a gate here to get into my backyard. Gate for the puppers. Right, puppers? Buddy? Yeah, he's a good dog, but he likes to run out of the yard. So I did that. This is access to my backyard. Did a lot of the digging with my little mini axe here. So check with that. Check back in a month, and we'll see if I'll put a link to the next video, and see what you guys think. If this helps by soaking them in the water, adding fertilizer, potting soil, and regular soil, mixed it all together in the wheelbarrow, throwing it in, and water, water, water. They say they can't get enough water. So I'll give it a shot. I also put a bar across here to because what happened is I knocked off some of the roots when I went to plant them, and then when I started adding water, they all started falling over. So I put a bar up and just a piece of rebar with some stakes in the ground, and then I tied them with wire to the bar just to hold them till the roots start, and that seemed to work well. So give you another view here. Yeah, so those are nice and green there. Might be a little too close to the fence, but we'll see. So that's what they are here. 10-gallon emerald cedar. And they're about 6 or 7 foot tall. Between 6 and 7 feet. There's the watering and bloom time, exposure, height, width, hardiness zones. So we'll see. Like they say, water, water, water. So check back in a month, guys. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and make sure you subscribe to see the next updated video in a month. Cheers.